We're making Yaki Onigiri. That's crunchy onigiri steamed rice. Get your hands wet so the rice doesn't stick. Form it into a round ball. Ow, so hot! Super hot. Go fast, super fast. You're gonna want to form it into a triangular shape. There you go, onigiri. Next, take your Dashi soy sauce. We like this one, is the one we use by Kamada America. And you're just going to put a little bit on the front and on the bottom of your onigiri and place it on the air fryer tray. Just continue doing that. We use our rubber spatula. It's the best way to apply it. Pop it into the air fryer. Set it for 375 for about 6 minutes. It's gonna come out. It's gonna be crunchy. Dip it in your dashi soy sauce. Hot, atsu.
Please like us and subscribe.